Welcome to the Tiny Artist. So today I'm going to show you how to do a few more things with paper towel rolls. So first thing I want you to do is grab some paper towel rolls, and then I want you to cut them into sections. You could also just get some toilet paper rolls, and that would work just the same. I want you to then take one, leave it a circle, take another one and shape it into a square, triangle, or any other shape you would like to use. Next, you're going to want to put some paint on a plate. I've been mixing paint today, so I have some gray here, some light gray, I have some brown. I mixed some black earlier, but it's about dried up, and some red. So let me put some more paint on my plate. And there we go. Okay, so I'm going to show you what it looks like to actually make paper towel rolls into stencils. I wanted to come up with some kind of unusual pattern using the colors of gray, black, and red. So I have some gray, different tones of gray here. And I'm going to just kind of take my square stencil, and I'm going to kind of move it around in here to get some different tones of gray on my stamper or stencil. I need to lean it towards each side of my stencil to make sure I get that paint on there nice and good. I'm going to dip it again. Make sure I keep it shaped like a square. And there we go. So now I have 4 squares very closely put near each other, but not quite touching. I'm going to then take my circle stamper or stencil and put it in the red. And I'm going to center that the best I can. This is a pattern I came up with a few weeks ago when I was teaching my students how to draw Asian architecture, and I just wanted to come up with a quick pattern they could put on their building. So, and here you go, a really cool pattern. So I'm going to just finish that out real quick, as quick as I can. And voila, a really cool pattern. Thank you for joining the Tiny Artist, and always remember, never give up and enjoy the creative process. See you later.